Hello, everyone. I am here with the Vice Chair of the South Coast Air Quality Management District, Michael Cacciotti. How you doing, Michael?
Dan, doing well, thanks.
You know, today is another incredible celebration here in the San Gabriel Valley, another AGZA Green Zone ceremony. We really appreciate your support of this one and others, but we really want to stress, Michael, our gratitude for the South Coast Air Quality Management District, the ELNG, Lawn and Garden Program. This institution traded in old gas tools and were able to get these new commercial state-of-the-art battery electric counterparts to achieve their full transition here. Michael, again, we just really wanted to mention that and thank you for bringing it.
Dan, it was our honor. We were fortunate a few months ago that the board, everybody on board supported adding several $1 million to the fund of the 85% incentive for communities, colleges, school districts, independent gardeners to transition from air polluting lawn equipment to battery electric, zero emission, quiet lawn equipment. We're grateful to you, Dan, for leading the effort. It's unprecedented, really, in the last year to join with you, the South Coast AQMD, Board Member Trevino's efforts in water conservation in the San Gabriel Valley and beyond. We've been at 3 large events at the largest colleges in the nation, Mount San Antonio College, now one of the largest colleges in the state here, Pasadena City College, now one of the largest cities in the AGZA Green Zone, Glendale, following South Pasadena's initiative where you were working back in 2016, Dan. So this has been an unprecedented year. We're grateful for your efforts. I'm grateful to the board. I feel the board members for really supporting the efforts in the lawn and garden area, which we all know now, as of a couple of years ago, has now surpassed cars and light-duty trucks as a heavy-duty source of pollution in our state. So thanks again, Dale.
Oh, our pleasure. It's so rewarding to have this partnership and able to set the example. And what we're doing here, I assure you, and you know this, Michael, it is actually being adopted nationwide. And you really helped us pioneer the entire movement. Thank you, Michael.
Thanks, Dan.